Hello students, have a nice day. Welcome to online class from Blue Stars Air Secondary School. This is the class for 5th standard and subject English. So students, today we are going to discuss a new topic, articles. So articles which are mainly a, and the. So what are articles? Articles are words used before noun and modifies noun. So articles defines whether a noun is used in specific context or general context. So there are 3 articles in English: a, and the. So these articles are categorized in different types as per their usage. Let's know about types of articles. Articles are categorized in 2 different types based on their usage. So first one is definite article and second is indefinite article. So article the comes in the list of definite article as it shows uniqueness or a specific thing. Article a and an comes in the list of indefinite article as it doesn't show any uniqueness and specific thing. Instead, it shows that the thing is being said in general. So now let's look into an example to understand it better. Suppose there is a group of apple in front of you and you are given a choice to eat one of them. If you want to eat any one from it, then what will you say? So you will say, I want to eat an apple from the group of apple. Suppose you want to eat an specific apple from the group of apple. So let's say the first one, you will say, I want to eat the apple, which is at first position from the group of apple. You can notice here that have you used the for pointing out specific apple and an for generalized apple. You can also notice that we have used an and not a for pointing apple in general context. Let's understand why we used an instead of a. How to decide when to use a or an. So basically there are 26 letters in English. Out of these 5 are vowel and out of these 5 remaining 21 are consonants. So if a word beginning with vowel sound an is used, if the word is beginning with consonant sound a is used. Okay, so please note this. So we have to check the vowel sound and consonant sounds. Let's look into examples when we use an before a word. So for example, an ant, an enemy, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella, an hour. So notice the word an hour. So notice the word R is H is silent. Here hour starts with vowel sound. So an is used before the vowel. Let's look into example where we used article a before a word. Some example for you: a boy, a book, a woman, a horse. So these all start with consonant sound. Let's look into word which start with vowel letters but starting sound is of consonant. Some more examples: a aeroplane, a university, a 1 rupee note. So these letters start with consonant sound. So A is used before these words. So students, I hope articles are clear to you. So in our next class, we will do book back exercise. Okay, thank you.